Hello! Thank you for taking the time to watch the How to Create a VOMO Account informational video. In this video, we will review how to request and set up your VOMO account, which you will use to track community service hours for BA 4095 to fulfill your community engagement graduation requirement. We hope that you find this video informative and helpful. Let's get started. If you plan to pursue BA 4095 and serve 100 hours of community service to fulfill your community engagement graduation requirement, the first step will be to request and create a VOMO account. Since Jindal OutREACH has a private hub, you will need to request an invitation to access it. Accounts created directly through VOMO's website will not have access to this private hub. To request your invitation, visit the Jindal OutREACH webpage and click on the blue Sign Up for VOMO button on the Welcome banner. This will take you to a quick Qualtrics form. Be sure to fill out this form completely using your UTD ID, not your net ID, and only your UTD email. We use your UTD email to locate you in the system and track your hours. All requests from private emails will be denied. Once you've filled in the form, be sure you check yes to approve that we send your email to VOMO, then add your initials or name in all required waiver boxes. When you've completed the form, click Submit. Requests can take up to 7 days during peak seasons, but the Jindal OutREACH office always makes every effort to fulfill these requests in a timely manner to reduce delays. Once your invitation request is received and approved in our office, your email is sent to VOMO and they will send you an invitation to join our hub. When you see this email, just click on the Accept Invitation button and you'll be taken to the VOMO website to register your account. Complete this quick registration form, being sure to use your UTD email, and that's it. Now you have access to the Jindal OutREACH VOMO hub and will be able to see opportunities posted by partners, as well as access your volunteer resume and track your hours. For more information about using the VOMO system to sign up for events and track hours, please watch the Introduction to VOMO video on the Jindal OutREACH website. I hope this brief discussion has been helpful in the process of fulfilling your community engagement graduation requirement. Remember, detailed instructions on how to use the VOMO system and how to submit service hours can be found in additional training videos. If you have questions, please send me an email at jindaloutreach@utdallas.edu with question in the subject line. Thanks for watching.